In today's energy industry, operations don't stop, and neither can your network. From remote oil fields to critical infrastructure, connectivity is mission critical. Energy companies operate in some of the most remote, high-risk environments on Earth, where downtime isn't just costly, it's unacceptable. That's where Hughes comes in. We deliver secure, always-on connectivity, combining satellite, wireless, and managed services to connect every site, everywhere. Hughes enables connectivity across rigs, pipelines, and production sites with primary and backup networks for continuous monitoring and operations. With real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and resilient network design, Hughes helps energy companies improve safety, increase efficiency, and stay compliant, no matter where they operate. Hughes, connecting the energy industry to what's next.